Welcome back to Breadfruit Studios. In this episode, we're looking into the art of lighting a walk and talk scene. Walk and talks are dynamic, engaging, and a favorite among filmmakers, but they come with unique lighting challenges. In this tutorial, we'll reveal 5 lighting techniques you can employ for your walk and talk sequences. But before we walk and talk, subscribe to Breadfruit Studios and click the notification bell to catch our future episodes. Having done that, let's take a walk.
Let's go.
First, let's briefly explain what a walk and talk scene is. It's a scene where characters have a conversation while walking. This technique is often used to keep the audience engaged by adding movement and dynamism to what could otherwise be a static dialogue scene.
Do you realize what you were able to achieve with 200 men?
You've probably seen this in films like 1917 and 3 Idiots.
Is your project ready? Is your project ready?
Now, let's address the elephant in the room.
Why are you so hot around the home? What is wrong?
The challenges of lighting walk and talk sequences.
Okay, no worry.
Imagine trying to maintain consistent lighting while actors are on the move, all while avoiding pesky shadows that can distract viewers. It's a tricky balancing act that requires skill and precision. So, how do the pros in Hollywood tackle these challenges? One word: techniques. The movement of the characters means your lighting needs to be consistent and flexible. You want to maintain a natural look while ensuring your subjects are well lit throughout the entire shot. Before you start setting up, it's essential to have a solid plan. Here are 5 key lighting tips for achieving walk and talk sequences. Use soft, even lighting. To avoid harsh shadows, use soft, even lighting. Soft boxes or diffused LED panels are great for this. Position your lights to cover a wide area, ensuring the light follows the movement of your actors. A great example is the walk and talk scenes in La La Land. In this scene, Mia and Sebastian walk and talk and eventually dance in the Hollywood Hills during twilight. The lighting is even and soft, achieved by carefully timing the shoot to coincide with the golden hour and using diffused light sources to maintain consistent, flattering illumination on the actors as they move.
Look at this. He's massive.
Portable lights. For long takes, consider using portable lights that can move with the actors. Battery-operated LEDs mounted on gimbals or handheld rigs can provide consistent lighting throughout the walk. This technique is effectively used in The Covenant, where the camera follows characters seamlessly through various lighting environments.
I think I would like a walk to enjoy the sun.
Natural light.
Of course.
When shooting outdoors, take advantage of the golden hour, either at sunrise or sunset, for the best natural lighting. Consider the position of the sun to the actors to ensure they are well lit. Use reflectors to bounce light and fill in shadows on your actors' faces. The film The Fall Guy utilizes natural lighting beautifully during its walk and talk scenes.
This is why they're doing it, because they feel you don't respect them, Nigel. Okay?
My tone.
Your tone, your words, all of it.
Okay.
Darla, yes. Okay, yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't get my printer working last night, but I sort of synthesized that conversation that we had on the 3rd act.
Practical lighting. Incorporate practical lights within your scene, such as street lamps or indoor fixtures. These can add realism and help maintain consistent lighting as your actors move. Paul, Apostle of Christ by Andrew Hyatt, uses practical lighting masterfully to create a mood and maintain consistency in walk and talk scenes. The film utilizes natural sources like torches and candlelight to illuminate the actors, enhancing the authenticity and immersive quality of the scenes.
He heard what the community was doing. He was baptized soon after.
Now let's look at dynamic lighting techniques from 1917 and The Covenant. The film 1917 is a masterclass in lighting for continuous dynamic shots. Sam Mendes and Roger Deakins used natural light extensively, relying on overcast skies to provide soft, even lighting. They also used large-scale lighting rigs to mimic natural sources, such as the flares in the nighttime scenes. For walk and talk scenes, similar techniques can be applied. Use large diffused sources to mimic natural light and maintain consistency. Additionally, consider using practical effects like moving lights or flares to add drama and realism to your scenes. In The Covenant, Guy Ritchie and Ed Wilde employed a combination of natural and artificial lighting to create a gritty and intense atmosphere. They used motivated lighting from practical sources, such as lamps and firelight, to create a realistic and immersive environment. For your walk and talk scenes, use motivated lighting to maintain consistency and add depth to your shots. Position practical lights along the path of your actors to ensure they remain well lit throughout the scene. Let's look at a couple of examples. For an indoor scene, set up your key lights to the side of your path, ensuring they stay out of frame. Use fill lights or bounce cards on the opposite side to soften shadows. For outdoor scenes, position reflectors and portable LEDs strategically to follow your actors, without disrupting the natural look. Lighting a walk and talk is as much about coordination as it is about placement. Work closely with your camera and sound teams to synchronize movements. Practice the scene multiple times to ensure everyone knows their marks and timing. Remember, the goal is to make the lighting feel seamless and natural, enhancing the dialogue and action without drawing attention to the lights themselves. With careful planning and the right equipment, you can light your walk and talk scenes like a pro. And lights out. But the show doesn't stop here. We challenge you to practice these lighting techniques in your projects and share your experiences in the comments below. Also, tell us if this episode was helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments and we'll create a special episode to address them. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep walking and talking.
Thank you. Thank you so much.